I'm totally inspired by nature. It's all around us. I bring it all back to the studio and really kind of comes out when I'm in there working. So I make functional pottery, bowls, teapots, wine goblets, pitchers. Most of the work I do is on the wheel. As an artist, I feel like you need to have a lot of different trades under your belt. I am a carpenter, I'm a potter, I'm a gardener, I'm a scientist. I make because nature is out there and I'm totally every day looking to explore the next thing. The local plants for me are totally fascinating because I can just walk out my backyard and take a plant that's growing, which most people would consider weed, and I can make it into a glaze. A lot of the ash trees in this area have died. We're splitting it. I actually am quite inspired by it, the grain patterns and things, and I take those and actually cast to make some of my servingware and plates. When people look at my work, I'd like them to see the field of hay that's been growing. I'd like them to see those ragweed that have grown in the field, the thistle. Somehow those plants seem to speak. The spirit of that plant is still there. I'm John Hook, and I'm a maker, and I'm inspired by nature every day.